What we're doing is the 720 degree land on hand. It's the 100th club. It's number 10. And what we're going to do is we're just going to have one bottle. I'm going to throw it 720 degrees from the speed rail onto the back of hand, like so.
Bring the bottle out of the rail towards you, keeping your eye on it at all times and cushion the landing on the back of your hand.
Number 11, bottle flip, 100th club. All we need to do is one bottle, yeah, placing on back of hand, flipping 360 degrees and landing it back on the hand. Okay?
Flick your knuckles towards you, keeping your eye on the bottle at all times and cushion the landing on the back of your hand.
Number 12, double bottle catch. Difficulty level is the 100th club. What we need to do with this is we're actually going to catch two bottles from the speed rail, catching the first one in my right hand and the last one in my reverse hand behind me on the left hand.
Keep your eye on the outer bottle as you throw it behind you, as the inner bottle just moves a short distance and is caught in the same hand.